Thank you for coming. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yas Aprianto. I work as an executive marketing at Persija Football Club. My presentation today will explain about the profile of the Persija Jakarta Football Club, as well as team statistics, and also the plan for the next season. For the next slide. Persija Jakarta is one of the oldest football club in Indonesia. When in the colonialism, Persija Jakarta name was Football Board Indonesia Jakarta. The club later changed name to Persija Jakarta, and it was born in 28 November 1928. The achievement of the club when 2001 we become champions of Indonesian League for the first time, and in the next 7 years, in 2018, we become again as Indonesian Champions Cup, Indonesian League Cup. After we have significant conflict with PSM Makassar. And in the same years, in 2019, we also become the President's Cup. It was the pre-season champions, but when the final match has been held in Gelora Bung Karno Stadium, it was almost 70,000 Jackmania come to watch through the stadium, and it became one of the most supporter in the preseason. And in 2021, we become the champions of the World Cup. These champions has been held by PSSI, Indonesian Football Association, because it been held when the COVID-19 season, and there is no official competition being held by PSSI, and PSSI made a regular tournament and became a second World Cup. This is the last statistic in the season 2023-2024, when Persija has been coached by Thomas Tuchel from Germany. In the pie chart, we see we have 12 win, 12 draw, and 10 lose. It means we have 40% win, 40% draw, and 12% of lose. In the end of the season, we become extending classmate. But in the next season, Coach Thomas Tuchel will not be Persija coach again, and it will be replaced by Carlos Mena from Spain. When the season 2023-2024, our supporters, Jackmania, has become the most valued supporter. We can see in the chart. From the 5 matches, we have 4 matches that Persija supporters Jackmania, they came to the stadium to watch live, and when the match Persija against Persebaya Surabaya, there is 55,000 supporters came to the stadium. In the last 6 seasons, start from 2016 until 2024, our supporters, Persija Jakarta, our supporters, Jackmania, they have balanced statistic, not like Persis Solo. They just one season become the most supporters attendance in the season 2024. But if we compare with Jackmania, they always consist in the last season. Our next season target is become the champions of Indonesian League, or at least we have been top 4 in the other seasons, so we have slot for the Asian Champions League or Asian Champions Cup. And the second, we want to strengthen the squad under Carlos Pena's coach. And third, we want to improve our performing and regional cup, especially in the Liga 1 Indonesia. We will to maximum our young player, and the last target, we want to leveraging our fan support, because in the next season 2024-2025, our home base will be held at Gelora Bung Karno Stadium and Jakarta International Stadium. That's the presentation that I can give you. We still have 3 days more to sign the contract if you want to become our main sponsor. If you want to tell me something, you can ask me the contact that I'm gonna give you. That's all. Thank you for your time. See you again.